Alrighty, we've made her back up here today, doing a little yard work. Lisa's down there mowing, and she enjoys that, especially when it's kind of been wet like it has been here recently and isn't real dusty. Neighbors have their flag flying over there, looking good, and I am going to make my way back inside and work on the closet a little bit. I think we have one more little area there that needs enclosed, from the big slider door down to a walk-through door in one of the bedrooms. I'm gonna get that taken care of today, hopefully, and then we'll be ready to do the popcorn ceilings, get all that off, and hopefully finish up the sheetrock in this room, and we'll be ready to finish hanging the sheetrock, and then we'll be ready to get the popcorn ceilings down. And anyhow, this is what we're going to enclose down to a walk-through door like we did the other. We'll put us like a barn door slider on it, probably, is what we're going to do. But I've got to cut some boards down. This is the 2x3 wall, and we're leaving these that way, the closet doors. We made these all bigger. We added to them to where it would have that thicker frame. Look a little better, I think, but on the closet it won't be so bad. And get them enclosed today. Leave a 2-foot or so door here in it to be able to come in and maybe reach both sides. And that's about all I'm gonna have to do today. Right now, I'm gonna do a little bit of measuring, go in there and rip some boards down to a 2x3, and then come back and hopefully get this wall built. So that's kind of where we're at today. And then we got a lot of cleanup to do so we can finish this out. We do appreciate you coming along, so I'm gonna get at it. Two 3/8. one more stud to put here, but I'm gonna build this on in, put a header down, and then stand that up. I just have a board under this one side for a header, but it's more than it had before. Now this, I measured back here, and to stay with the 16 inch on center, that would be right here. So now I've got this gap. I think I'll just cut a couple little blocks that'll fit in there. Maybe about 4 of them, and run a screw through. And then got our 16 inch on center all the way to here. And then we'll have one more right here that'll be the door jamb. So I'll run a few screws in this, top and bottom. Then I'm gonna go cut these boards and come back and put them in. That's the plan. Okay, this measures out to be on 16 inch. There'll be one, it calls for one stud. So I've cut an extra to go here on the end. And then right here is where the door frame will come up, and I've cut one to put above it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and mark these two. I'm going to have to go to the bottom to mark this other one. And then, of course, we'll just put that at the edge. And then we need one somewhere in here, but I'm going to mark that off that bottom where I know exactly where it goes. And then we'll screw these in and slap it up there. Okay, put some pocket holes in these to get them screwed up there. I got my screws started. This one will just screw into that. And get this up there. That should hold it pretty good. Be a lot stronger than anything it ever had before. Now I gotta put another stud right here. And that'll be good. We'll be done with it then. Ooh, that's the wrong one. This one. So if I just got those screws in my way now. Okay, so here's that gap I talked about a minute ago. It's a 1 inch gap. I have a 1 inch board scrap in there, so I'll put that in there. Besides for it needing to be tied in this way, it's got nearly a 1/4 inch bow in it that needs to go in. So I'm going to screw this board in here to this, and then I'm going to anchor something here and push that board over and screw it in. Make it all happy. be back. We got plant, see? Tea plant. Couple screws there. There. That works better. Now, what do you think about that, Lisa Kay?
I think that's good.
Okay, got that all framed in. I think it'll be good enough for what we're gonna do. Da 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 da. Lisa. So, I think we have all the framing done.
I think so.
And have a couple little electrical deals to do.
And insulation in that middle wall.
Oh yeah, we do have insulation to put in that master bath wall between that and the living room area. I think we have enough to do even the bedroom, master bedroom. So we're going to do that and maybe give it a little wider area. I think we're going to pick some tools up and call it a day, maybe. Load the lawnmower. Lisa mowed the yard and the hillside. We have a big long hillside out here to mow. It was way down there. Quite a bit of grass. She's mowed it all today. Alrighty, well, we're gonna get out of here for the day and we will catch you on the next one. And we sure do appreciate you coming along.
Thanks for watching.
See ya.